Hey everyone, so we're going to be working with that same moderator again. This does thread onto the Umarex Gauntlet 2. So we're going to go ahead and do the exact same test that you saw last time on the Gauntlet 1. We're going to go ahead and do 5 shots without the moderator and then 5 shots with the moderator. Let's get to it. We're going to be using this Umarex Gauntlet 2. We're going to go ahead and test 5 shots, no moderator. Now, this thing has been loud when I was testing it, so still seems 3 feet away. Here we go. Jeez, that is noisy. All right, let's take a look. Into the second half of this video with the moderator on. 5 rounds downrange. Jeez. All right, let's take a look. Overall, I think this actually helped out tremendously with the Gauntlet 2. With the first gen, it didn't seem like it was helping too much, but maybe if I can get that other end of this moderator printed out, maybe it'll go ahead and help take out a lot of that noise. But overall, I'd say that this is a win for the Gen 2. Let me know in the comments below what you think and any other rifles I should try testing this out on. Thanks for watching.